Here we go with another Salad Sunday. Welcome back. Today we're going to make this potato, egg and smoked mackerel salad. It's really, really easy. It's delicious. So in there I've got like 3 cups of cooked potatoes. I use these little kind of baby potatoes and I've kept the skin on. So I boiled them with some salt water. They're cooked nicely and ready to go. What we're going to do is add like a cup here of celery chopped. About the same of tomatoes. I'm using cherry tomatoes. Here I've got some fine beans or green beans, maybe about a cup again. You can adjust any of these amounts to suit yourself. We've also here got some mackerel, smoked mackerel. You know, you kind of buy that in a packet. By the way, you peel the skin off at the back, and then we're just going to break this in. A couple of these, really simple. I mean, it's kind of it's sort of a niçoise kind of thing. I mean, it's not niçoise, but that kind of vibe, which is fantastic. Right, let me now grab some dressing. So I'm going to go with some balsamic vinegar, and not a lot. There's maybe 2 tablespoons there, and then olive oil, nice extra virgin olive oil, which I'm going to be a little bit more generous with. I'm going to say 5 tablespoons. If you want, pop in a fresh herb. I'm not going to do that today. We're going to add some salt and some black pepper. Let's grab a knife. Here we've got some hard-boiled eggs. I'm using 4 here. I'm just going to quarter them like that. In they go. I'm going to save 1 for the top. So just put 3 in now. And then we're going to add lettuce into this. Now I'm using this sweet gem. So it's fairly sort of robust, this thing. We're going to give that a mix. We've done it. Okie dokie, and there you go. Lovely, really beautiful, easy salad. Hope you enjoyed that. See you soon. Lots of love. Thank you so much for stopping by and making it to the end of the videos. If you would like to donate to me, there's a thanks button in most countries. You can give me $2 or up to $50. I need to buy a new Ferrari. Come on, help me out.